welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll tell you how to spy a phone. First of all, open the browser, then enter the website, that is www.spy-phone-app.com. After opening the website, download the app. I'll download Android because I am using Android phone. Enter the captcha. Then click on the terms and conditions. Then click on download. Then click on OK. It will not harm your phone. Then open and install the app. After installation, open the app, click on accept, then register. Enter the email ID. Then repeat again your email ID. Then enter the password. Then accept the terms and conditions and click on register. Then save the phone. Then click on notification settings. Enable the notification access. Allow it. Open the accessibility settings. Allow it. After this, open the website again. Open your browser. Click on login. Enter the details. Enter your email ID. Then enter your password. And that's it. Each and everything will be displayed here. Even a single call, SMS, WhatsApp messages, Skype messages, Snapchat, each and everything will be displayed here. It's free for a week. After that, you have to pay. After doing all the process, just restart the victim's phone and the app will be hidden. Thank you guys for watching our video.